Good morning, students. In this video, we're going to be solve the problem of 11th chapter. The chapter name is Problems on Measurement. In this chapter, we have to explain whatever we have learned in the previous chapter, like time measurement and in the previous chapter we have learned in the decimal fraction this unit we have learned. Have you remember 1 rupee is equal to how many paisa, 1 liter equal to, I told you to learn all the things. I hope you learn. Okay, so you have to keep in mind all the units. Okay, because in this chapter we are all dealing with the unit, like you can see paisa, centimeter, kilogram, gram, like that unit only we have to deal. So I hope you have learned. If you have not learned, I just going to be revise this. 1 rupee is equal to 100 paisa. 1 kg means 1 kilogram equal to 1000 gram. 1 meter equal to 100 centimeter. 1 liter equal to 1000 milliliter. 1 kilometer equal to 1000 meter. These are the unit you have to learn. Okay, so we are starting our first question, which is addition. What is given here? 9 rupees and 50 paisa. In 1 rupees, how many paisa we have? We have 100 paisa. Just remember this first of all. Okay, plus 50 paisa and 60 paisa. So we'll see how we can add. Now we have two units, rupees and paisa, so we'll write in different way. Now just keep in mind that these carry, if anyone carry will be there, that will not going to be add here. Clear? All the numbers you have to write here only, and here addition you will write in this side. Okay, so now we'll start. Okay, now 0 plus 0, 0. 5 plus 6, it is 11. 1 you can't write here, add carry 1. Okay, 11 you have to write here, so this will become 110. But remember, 100 is increase is greater than 100. Okay, so if 110, if I will write 100 plus 10, this 100 paisa means what? 1 rupees. So this 1 rupees we can't write in this side. This 100 paisa will convert as rupees, and that rupees will going to be add here. So how many paisa will remain here? Only 10 paisa. Clear? Now in this side we will going to be add 9 plus 4 is 9 plus 4 how much? 9 plus 4 we have 13. So 1 carry here, it will become 23. So but 1, this 100 paisa will convert as 1 rupees and will going to be add here. So 23 rupees plus 1 rupees equal to 24 rupees. So how many rupees it will become? 24 rupees and 10 paisa. Understood? Always you have to keep in mind, if this side is greater than the unit, you have to add here. Okay, so now 6 centimeter, 5 millimeter plus 7 centimeter and 9 millimeter. Now just remember, 1 centimeter equal to how much millimeter? This will become 10 millimeter. So now we'll start from here. 5 plus 9, you will get 14. Now 14 is greater than 10. Yes or no? 14 we can write 10 millimeter plus 4. But this 10 millimeter convert as 1 centimeter, and that 1 centimeter going to be add in another column, because centimeter column is here. Okay, so we are going to be add that, and remaining is here 4 centimeter only. So now 6 plus 7, you will get 13, but 1 centimeter here going to be add here, so this will become 14. Understood? Now this is for addition. Okay, another. Now we have meter and centimeter. Meter, 1 meter equal to 100 centimeter, you know that. Okay, so if it is this line, answer will become greater than 100, so that this will be going to be change here. Okay, simple it is, as we have done here, but just remember the this unit, otherwise answer will be wrong. Now our next question is it is of addition only, same, but I will like to explain here this question. Okay, so 15 kilometer, 1 kilometer equal to how much? 1 kilometer equal to 1000, we have learned here. Okay, so we can add with 15 kilometer, 13 kilometer, 714 and 950. Okay, so we are going to be add 0 plus 0 0, 4 plus 5 9, 7 plus 9 equal to 16. So you will not going to be add here the carry one, all the numbers of addition will be here only. Now this 1600 is greater than 1000, yes or no? Yes. So this 1600 we can divide 1000 plus 690, but 1000 meter is equal to how much? 1000 meter is equal to 1 kilometer, and kilometer side is here, so this 1000 meter will convert as 1 kilometer. So you will going to be add here 15 plus 13, you will get 28. 28 plus 1 is equal to 29. Understood? Here we have to 1 kg. 1 kg equal to how much? We have 1000. Okay, 1000 gram. So keep in mind this unit. If it is more than 1000, what we have to do? We have to divide, and 1 we have to shift here, like we have done so many examples. Okay. So now we'll solve question number 2. Question number 2, subtraction. Here we have to do subtraction. Remember how we have done the subtraction question in measuring time. Okay, so like that only we are going to be solve. Now first question is 19 rupees 50 paisa minus 12 rupees and 60 paisa. Okay, so here is 2 unit, we will write rupees and paisa differently. Okay, we will not going to be add them. Now upside, what is given here? It is 50 paisa is okay. This I will going to be solve by myself only, you can just see so that you can understand very well. So question is 1950 paisa and 12 rupees and 60 paisa. So what you will do? You will write rupees and here paisa. 19 and 12. 50 paisa. Oh sorry, we have to keep the one line here. Always whenever the question is of subtraction, just leave one line. Okay, after that you can write 19 and 12, 50 and 60. Now what do you have to do? 50 is less than 60, we can't subtract. Yes or no? We can't subtract. So what you will do? You will take 1 rupees from here, and that 1 rupees will going to be convert as paisa. 1 rupees is equal to how many paisa? We have 100 paisa. Understood? So this, if you will take 1 rupees, this will become 100 paisa. So 100 paisa will shift here. Okay, so this from here you will take 1 rupee, so this will become 18. Understood? So but that 1 rupees will convert as this, and this will become 100. Clear? We have to increase this, so what we'll do? We will going to be add them. So this will become 150. Now we can subtract 150 minus 60. Yes, we can do. So answer, when you will subtract 150 and 60, you will get how much? You will get here 15 minus 16, you will get 9. So this will become 90 and it is not greater than 100. So no need of conversion. Okay. So 18 minus 12 you will get 6. So how much it is remains? 6 rupees and 90 paisa. Understood? Now we will going to be learn the next question which is 24 centimeter and 2 millimeter minus 3 centimeter and 8 millimeter. Okay, so now the question number second is same, just we have to careful about the unit. 1 centimeter, how 1 centimeter equal to how much millimeter? We know 10 millimeter. Clear? Now just remember 24 just centimeter and centimeter, and downside you have to keep the numbers. This question also I will going to be solved with that, so that you can understand very well what is given centimeter and millimeter. One line, when you are doing subtraction you have to leave one line. 24 and 3, here 2 and here 8. Now we can't subtract by 2. Yes or no? Yes. So what you will do? You will cancel this 1 centimeter and you will convert into millimeter. This will become 23 and this 1 centimeter equal to how much? 10 millimeter. So this 1 will become here 10. We have to add this upside because we have to increase this value. Okay. So this will become 12. So now we can subtract 12 minus 8. Yes, we can do. So this will become 4 and this will become 20. So how much is remaining? 20 centimeter and 4 millimeter. Understood? Now question number third I will going to be solved by your. Question number third is we have 2 units, meter and centimeter. 1 meter equal to how much? 1 meter equal to 100 centimeter. Just keep the unit properly. So here it is unit, meter, and here it is centimeter. One line we have to leave because we are doing subtraction. So this will become 20, here 70, here 30 and here 60. Again we can't do subtraction because of this will be a 30 and here 60. So what you will do? You will take 1 meter and this 1 meter going to be convert as centimeter. Okay, 1 meter equal to how many centimeter? 100 centimeter plus this. So this will become 130. Now we can subtract 130 minus 60. When we'll subtract, what you will get? You will get 70. 19 minus 17 we can do? Yes, we can do easily. This will become 2 and 70. Clear? Now question number fourth one. I will going to be solve only fourth one. This two you will going to be solve same only method. Just remember 1 kg equal to 1000 gram and 1 liter equal to 1000 milliliter. Same. Okay. Question number 4. Again here kilometer and meter. This one line you will going to believe. This will become 14, 17 and 2, 55, and this will become, we have to subtract. Now this again it is small, so what you will do? You will convert this, and 1 kilometer you will convert as meter. 1 kilometer equal to how many meter? We have 1000 meters, so we will going to be add upside value with 1000. This will become 1255. Now you can subtract. Yes, you can subtract. Whatever you will subtract, this will be the answer here. You have to subtract 39 minus 17. So you will get the answer easily. Nothing we have to do. Clear? Now we'll move to nothing is there in this chapter. Only this problem is problems only there. So we have to we have to deal with. Nothing explanation is there. Whatever we have learned in that time measurement and previous chapter, that only will going to be used here. Okay, so the question number first is problem set 47. Problem set 47. Question number first is, for his birthday Ajay gave 20 liter and 400 milliliter of milk. How much milk he gave? 20 liter and 400 milliliter of milk to the child in the ashram. Okay, ashram he gave. आश्रम में उसने कितने मिल्क दिया? 20 लीटर एंड 400 मिलीलीटर एंड 28 लीटर एंड 800 मिलीलीटर टू द चिल्ड्रंस इन द ऑर्फनेज. ऑर्फनेज में उसने कितना दिया? 28 लीटर एंड 800 milliliter. How much milk did Ajay donate? Means what they are asking? They are asking how much milk. Means if I will say two chocolate you gave to Geeta and 4 chocolate you gave to Sita. How much chocolate you gave? 2 plus 4, 6. The here also we have to do addition. Okay, so I will not going to be add here in front of you. Just see here. Ajay gave 20 liter and 400 milliliter of milk and to the ashram and here orphanage. So addition, how we can do? Just see here. We have 2 unit liter and milliliter. 0 plus 0, 5 here, 4. I told you this addition you will not carry over here. All the addition will be keep here. So 4 plus 8, this will become 12. But this will 1 liter equal to how much? 1000. But this 1250 is greater than 1000. So you have to divide this. This will become 1000 plus 250. But this 1000 milliliter will convert as 1 liter. And this will going to be add here. Understood? Yes or no? We have done in previous chapter also. So 20 plus 28 is equal to 48. So plus 1 here, this will become 49. And remaining is, if we will add this to this side, so this will become 250 only. Yes. Question number 2. Under a rural cleaning mission, college student clean 1 kilometer and 750 meter of village road. Okay, and 2 kilometer and 570 of meter road. How much remain to be clean? What they are saying, if road is 2, total is 2 kilometer and how much? 500, and they have cleaned this much road only. Okay, and they are asking how much is to be clean. If the total is this, they have cleaned this much only. What we have to do? We have to subtract from total to this clean area. Then only we can find this area. Clear? Same. What we have to do? We have to do subtraction in this question. See here. Student clean this area. Total area is this. What we have to do? We have to subtract it. Okay. When we have to subtract it, we have to remember. Now it is given 575, which is smaller than 750. What we will do? We will take 1 kilometer here from here and we will going to be add here. 1 kilometer equal to 1000 meter. Understood? So this 1000 will going to be add here. This will become 1575. So 1575 we can subtract it. Yes, we can subtract. When we subtract, what will get? 825. Now 1 minus 1, you will get 0. So how much road is to be clean? 825. Understood? Now question number 3 will going to be solved in the next video.